Welcome to unlock Vietnam's beauty market with Green NRJ, your gateway to one of Asia's most exciting and fast-growing cosmetic markets. Vietnam's beauty industry is flourishing. Driven by a youthful population, increasing beauty awareness, and rising disposable incomes, the demand for skincare, makeup, and personal care products has never been higher. For cosmetic brands around the world, this is a golden opportunity. Before you can legally sell your products in Vietnam, there's one essential step you cannot skip: cosmetic product notification, with the Drug Administration of Vietnam. Cosmetic product notification refers to the procedure where a business declares cosmetic products to the competent regulatory authority in Vietnam. Once the notification is approved, your imported cosmetics may be lawfully circulated and sold across the country. Why is this necessary? According to Clause 1, Article 3 of Circular No. 06/2011, TTBYT by the Ministry of Health, traders are only allowed to circulate cosmetics on the market once they have been issued a cosmetic product notification number by a competent state management authority. Under Vietnamese law, the cosmetic notification holder, typically your local partner in Vietnam, is fully responsible for the accuracy of the information declared in the cosmetic product notification (CPN) form, ensuring product safety, quality, and compliance with the ASEAN Cosmetic Directive and its annexes. Important note: the CPN receipt number only confirms the product has been notified. It does not guarantee the product meets all safety or regulatory requirements. That responsibility lies with the notification holder and the brand owner. To get started, you'll need a few key documents: Cosmetic Product Notification Form, Letter of Authorization, LOA, from the manufacturer or product owner, authorizing a company or individual in Vietnam to be responsible for marketing and distribution. Certificate of Free Sale, CFS, from the competent authority in the country of origin, proving the product is legally sold there. For products imported from CPTPP member countries, the CFS may be exempted. Note: both the LOA and CFS must be consular legalized. Consular legalization refers to the process where Vietnamese diplomatic missions certify the signature and seal on foreign documents, so they can be legally used in Vietnam. This step must be carried out by your foreign partner in the country of origin. Who can legally represent your brand in Vietnam? That's exactly what the letter of authorization defines, and it's a required part of the notification process. This letter must be presented in Vietnamese, English, or bilingual format, and it needs to be both clear and complete. Here's what it must include. First, the name and address of the manufacturer. If the product owner is different, their full name and address must also be listed. Next, the name and address of the authorized company or individual in Vietnam, the one responsible for notification and distribution. The scope of authorization must be clearly stated. Does it cover just the cosmetic product notification, distribution, or both? It should specify the brand names or product names covered under the authorization. Don't forget the duration of the authorization, how long it is valid for. And most importantly, the LOA must contain a written commitment from the manufacturer or product owner to provide the full product information file, PIF, to the authorized party in Vietnam. Finally, it must be signed by the legal representative of the authorizing party, along with their full name, position, and signature. In any cross-border cosmetic registration, one document serves as legal proof of a product's legitimacy in its country of origin: the Certificate of Free Sale, or CFS. To be accepted in Vietnam, the CFS must meet specific requirements. It needs to clearly show the name of the issuing authority or organization, the CFS number and date of issuance, the product name or goods covered by the certificate, the type or product group to which the goods belong, the manufacturer's name and address. Most importantly, the document must contain a clear statement confirming that the product is legally manufactured and freely sold in the country of origin or issuing country. And finally, it must include the full name, signature, and official seal of the issuing authority or organization. This document proves to Vietnamese authorities that your cosmetic product is already being sold safely elsewhere, a critical step for gaining access to Vietnam's regulated market. In addition to the LOA and CFS, the brand owner or manufacturer must also provide several key documents. These include clear product images showing labels, packaging, and design details. A complete ingredient list, which must match exactly what appears on the product label. Ideally, the list should include the percentage of each ingredient, adding up to 100%. And, if the product contains any restricted or special use ingredients, you may be asked to submit additional documents as required by Vietnamese law. Meanwhile, your Vietnamese partner, officially called the cosmetic notification holder, must also meet specific legal conditions. They must be a legally registered business in Vietnam with cosmetics trading clearly listed as part of their business scope, possess a valid digital signature approved for online government submissions, and have an active account on the National Single Window Portal, which can be accessed at https://vnsw.gov.vn. This is where the entire cosmetic product notification process takes place, fully online and strictly regulated. To successfully notify your cosmetic product in Vietnam, you'll need to follow a clear, step-by-step process. Step 1. Begin by comparing your product's ingredients with the ASEAN Cosmetic Directive. This means, check that all ingredients are permitted in cosmetic products. Make sure no banned substances are present. Confirm the use levels and restrictions for restricted ingredients, if any. Ensure proper preservatives, UV filters, and colorants are used in allowed concentrations. Step 2. Prepare your complete notification dossier. This includes the Cosmetic Product Notification Form, the Consular Legalized LOA and CFS, detailed product information, and an ingredient list. Step 3. Submit your application online via the National Single Window Portal at https://vnsw.gov.vn. This is the official platform used by the Drug Administration of Vietnam. Step 4. Pay the cosmetic notification fee. After submission, the portal will generate a notification fee invoice. Your Vietnamese representative will make the official fee payment via bank transfer or as instructed on the portal. Only after successful payment will the application be reviewed by the Drug Administration of Vietnam, DAV. Step 5. Receive feedback from the Drug Administration of Vietnam. The DAV will then review your submission and supporting documents. If everything is valid, issue a cosmetic product notification number, also known as the CPN receipt number. If issues are found, they may request additional documents, clarifications, or corrections. Once the number is issued, your product is legally allowed to enter the Vietnamese market. Reminder: the CPN does not guarantee product quality or safety. That responsibility lies with the brand owner and the notification holder. Step 6. Store records and maintain compliance. The notification holder in Vietnam is required to maintain a product information file, PIF, for each product, stored at the place of business. Present this file upon request during inspections or audits by competent authorities. Ensure the product on the market exactly matches what was declared, in terms of formulation, labeling, packaging, etc. A missing or incomplete PIF could lead to fines, product recall, or license revocation. The registration process may seem complex. And if you miss a detail, your product could be delayed or even rejected. That's where Green NRJ comes in. We're a Vietnam-based consulting firm helping international cosmetic brands register their products smoothly, quickly, and legally. Whether you're launching a skincare line, makeup brand, or haircare product, we handle the entire process, from A to Z. At Green NRJ, we specialize in helping international cosmetic brands navigate Vietnam's cosmetic product notification process with ease and efficiency. Unlock Vietnam's beauty market with confidence. Unlock it with Green NRJ.